So in the cabin as well. The little cabin was virtually derelict.
Oh yeah.
Whichever did it.
With a bit of your help as well?
Only a little bit on that one. John. Driving, I think it was one day last week, and a lorry came straight across it. In fact, Malcolm Dean was guard, and he said he thought it was much nearer from the back. It looked much nearer, but I could see him, and I could have stopped. But they tried to take the number, but so important to just go to fire. Here, and he suddenly just went straight, but I'd seen him coming up the bank. Fortunately, it's better he was big than small, because you couldn't see a car if a car was fast up there. All this is new since the line closed, all this garage and the fence. You are clear. Still seeing the old point rod.
Where?
Just on the right hand side. The point when they stop there.
Oh
yeah.
Little post with wires.
Yeah. That'll be signals rather than points.
Signals, yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's distance signals.
I was thinking signals, I said point.
Probably a distance signal for the Witton-Le-Wear box.
Right, this signal box will be, according to the plan, about 150 yards from this bridge.
Oh yeah.
And immediately the line then split into about 4 lines. There was 4 lines over the crossing.
Wow.
So it will be somewhere here,
Yeah.
on that side. Wide, I wonder if it was there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's about 4, isn't it? Up the way pheasant.
Well, pheasant. Yeah, so instead of 1 line, there was 4 actually went across this crossing.
Doesn't look wide enough, does it?
Well, it would have been wider. The original gate post there, look.
Yeah.
Clear this side.
Thank you.
And it would have been back down there.
So is that the junction there?
No, that was just the crossing. Coming to the Wear Valley Junction just down here. There was a half roundhouse and turntable just on the right hand side. In that area there. That was the half roundhouse. Where it curves round, if you imagine a line went straight on, there was a platform there, that was the one platform. We stopped there, signal box, and then another platform went along here. So roughly about here, and then there were sidings all over. And this was dual track all the way to this.
Shall we do that?
16:15. Plenty of time.
Yeah.
bring materials to tip from all over the country.
It's called Paradise.
Paradise, welcome to Paradise. But one of the photographs I've got shows all cranes at work with the shunters.
Oh yeah.
Around, yeah.
I think I can vaguely remember when they did the Summer Sunday thing. There was still some tracks up there.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't think it was still in use by that point. Yeah.
Can't remember when it closed. Yes, they certainly stopped at the station on those Sundays. I've got a photograph of it. Loads of people on the platform and only half a dozen on the train, I think. Because it's then that they renamed it Witton Park and then closed the line.
Yeah.
Until that point, it had always been known as Etherley. I think the reason for that is that when the line first came through, there wasn't a Witton Park. So Etherley was the nearest large village.
No, I think I will go back.
Quickly.
Usually they just run across.
Sensible.
See where you have trespassers, don't you?
Yes. Well,
All the way along.
there were some tracks across the viaduct and right the way through, and it was Andrew's story. He actually walks from Escombe to the crossing every day.
Is that where he lives? Yes.
Yes.
That wall there, are they cold rocks as well?
That's George Pitt. That's George Pitt at Escombe. The sidings there to take the coal away. And I've actually found out, I forgot to look, where the shaft was.
Right.
I read this week where the actual shaft was. That's down to Escombe. Andrew was right at the bottom.
He walks up the mountain, does he?
It's like a Stanhope bridge.
He doesn't normally, no. He walks around the back, follows the river, and comes out near the viaduct.
Oh yeah.
But this is the bridge that's closer to his house. If you go down there.
And they leave bridle way, I think.
Yes. Not into the Escombe side.
Escombe.
Unusual bridge then. Don't get many bridges like that anyway. You far to go?
Go back to Durham.
Durham.
Yeah, so get a train down to Darlington and then the main line.
And by bus, is it?
I could get a bus, I suppose, but I think.
Did you read that somebody
Get a train.
went from Stanhope to Paris? 6 hours?
Yes, they did, yeah.
Not bad. Cat Viaduct, which was the Durham line out of Bishop Auckland.
It's the dip again.
Sorry?
Big dip here a little bit.
Yeah. Well, this is known as Broken Banks.
Very wrapped in it.
Yeah. It's done it. It's always done it. There's a river at the bottom and there's culverts underneath. And it's just got a tendency to keep falling. So British Rail used to take the lines up, pack it down and put the lines back, and we've had to do something very similar. When we took all the lines up, I would have thought that they filled the dip in, but they didn't. Packed it all down. I wasn't today.
You were?
It is on the weekly notice.
Right.
Just give another 2. Out the stop board.
Right. And right at the end of the platform?
Yes. God, cold day to be digging holes.
Digging hard work, too. With down into the permafrost.
Imagine the machine. We've got the machine, we used to have to do it by hand.
Yeah.
Sure.
Weekly notice circulated with it?
Yes, Fridays it comes out. Are you not on the circulation list? You enjoyed your ride?
Oh, that's great, yeah.
Good.